two people are together, they're face to face. Well, then someone offends the other, right? And he absents himself. The just thing is, well, come on, man. You broke the relationship. Well, heal it. You come back. But he doesn't. But forgiveness is now I take the initiative. Even though I've been the one offended, I'm going to pay this extra price by going the distance that he should have gone. Costly? You bet. Certainly at the emotional level, and think of the pride you have to swallow to do that. Why do we say that God's forgiveness of the world happened through the cross of Jesus? Why couldn't God just, come on, just forgive us? Well, it's this principle, isn't it? Forgiveness, if it's real forgiveness, always costs the one who does the forgiving. Is what we're seeing iconically on the cross, the manifestation of the cost that God bore, the price that God paid in forgiving us. So I like that. And the Christian's got to be willing to bear it for the sake of the world.